Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Talia Johnson with Living in Charlotte Homes and Real Estate. And today I'm so excited to take you on a tour of Southmont, built by Tri Pointe Homes. It's a gated townhome community located right here in the heart of South Charlotte in the Starmount neighborhood. This community brings the perfect blend of style, comfort, and convenience with modern low-maintenance townhomes, access to pickleball courts, green spaces, and walking trails right outside your door. Plus, you're just a 15-minute drive to Uptown Charlotte, the Charlotte Douglas Airport, and SouthPark Mall. But if you like to take the light rail to Uptown, it's a half a mile from Archdale Station. So whether you're a first-time home buyer, relocating, or looking to downsize, Southmont might be just a hidden gem that you're looking for. But be sure to stay tuned until the end so you can know what special incentives this builder has to offer, and something special that this builder offers that no one else does. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get to it. This community offers 3 and 4 story townhomes and all come with a tandem 2-car garage with an electric plug outlet. You can customize to your liking with a variety of stylish design options created by designer Bobby Berk. This first model is the Braden floor plan. It's 3 stories, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and between 1,300 and 1,400 square feet. I hope you enjoyed that tour of the Braden floor plan. Now I'm in the Merrill, and although the living room and kitchen layout is the same as the Braden, this one offers a fourth floor, which is where I'm located. It makes this home 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 bathrooms, and between 16 to 1700 square feet. I'm also going to show you what the 2-car tandem garage looks like, and also the fourth floor. I'm doing a tour of the entire floor plan, and although they may be the same, I want you to take in the design elements so you can create the perfect design in your home. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy both tours of the Braden and Merrill floor plans. The price range of these townhomes start in the low 400,000s, and the incentive that Tri Pointe Homes is offering is up to $17,500 in closing costs or 4.99% of fixed conventional interest rate for 30 years on select homes. Now that's real savings on these stylish townhomes here in Charlotte. But here's the fun bonus. If you love the furniture in the homes that you saw, you can purchase it to make your space look just like the model. Plus, everybody gets a copy of Right at Home, a beautiful design book by renowned designer Bobby Berk. There are 2 more stunning models in this gated community that I'll be touring in coming videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a thing. And if you need help finding the perfect home, give me a call or schedule a Zoom meeting on my calendar. My contact information is below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next home tour.